Welcome to the how to operate your Cornhusker 800 Carbon Black trailer tutorial. Please use this time-stamped table of contents for future reference. We are conveniently located just over 1 mile south of Interstate 80. Once exiting Interstate 80, head south on I-180 to Cornhusker eastbound. Go to 11th Street and turn south, and then on Saunders Avenue, head west, straight through the open gates to Cornhusker 800. Most generally, your trailer will be located in location A, right by the brick front office. For weekend or after hours pickup, your trailer will be located in location C, to the south side of our employee parking lot. When hooking up to your trailer, ensure your fifth wheel plate locks. Then hook up your air lines and 7-way plug. At this point, you want to walk around your entire trailer, double checking that all stop, turn, tail, and midships lights are operational, as well as checking the ABS light is off. Also, make sure your license plate light is illuminating. Once verifying your standard lights work, you need to check that your lift light is lit when unloaded, and also ensure your PSI light is off. The PSI light will only be on when the system is filling air to the tires. Now you can crank your dolly legs up. Up direction is towards the front of the trailer. Make sure to crank the dolly legs up completely. Verify your trailer is at ride height by flipping the valve to the fill position. Now, inspect the subframe area, listening for any air leaks or hissing or any air pouring out of any fittings. Generally, this will be easy to spot. Checking the fittings, valves, airline hoses, the push lock connectors. Airline hoses are red, black, blue, and yellow. To unlatch your lid, pop down the 3 latches on the side of the car valve. This will lower the lid. Then unbuckle the 3 latches to drop the lid and spin the lid out of the way. Next, grab the wrench from the wrench holder and turn the locking nut counterclockwise. Replace the wrench and unscrew the lock nut by hand. It will fall, and now you can operate the yellow handle of the car valve. Before loading this trailer for the first time, it is mandatory that you open all car valves and sample valves to check for any metal shavings that had fallen during first transportation of this trailer. When you set the parking brakes of the truck, it dumps all of the air out of the ride bags of the trailer. Please make sure that all of the air is out of the ride bags before unhooking the air line. The trailer will creep forward slightly, and this is normal as it loses all its air. This prohibits the trailer from lurching forward when it loses air over time. Once all the air is out, you can dolly the trailer down and pull the truck out once air lines and connection is removed. The lever on the blue block is your manual dump valve. The toggle switch on the box is your auto lift override down. Flip the switch to completely dump all the air out of the suspension. Opening and closing the roof hatches is a simple process. Always make sure when closing roof hatch lids that the pin is inserted for locking. Your unit is equipped with a roadside care package with items that can become damaged that can be repaired remotely to get you back up and running. Before loading your carbon black trailer for the first time, it is imperative that you make sure the trailer is cleaned out. Again, opening all car valves and sample valves to check for any aluminum shavings. At this point, you are more than likely ready for your 500-mile inspection. This is required. The 500-mile inspection is used to check for any missing or loose fasteners, retorque lug nuts, inspect the hubs for the correct oil level, inspect the kingpin is tight and there's nothing loose in the kingpin section, checking tire pressure, inspecting the brakes and brake components, greasing all the grease points, inspecting the suspension pivot bolt for any signs of movement, inspecting all reflective tape, retorquing suspension hardware, and retorquing the landing gear. On a daily basis, you want to make sure you get around your trailer to inspect the trailer for any loose or missing or unswedged fasteners, inspect the structure and suspension for any breaking or cracking or missing parts, inspect the hubs for correct oil level, check all the trailer lighting, and inspect the mud flaps for cuts, tears, or any damage. Additionally, every week you want to grease all grease points and you want to drain moisture from the air tank. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Remember that Cornhusker 800 is leading the way.